The wafer fabrication plant is a core component of semiconductor chip manufacturing, and every move it makes has a significant impact on the entire tech industry. In 2024, the global wafer fabrication sector has seen many new developments. With the number of new plants becoming a key focus of attention, let's take a look. In 2024, China is set to add a substantial number of wafer fabs. Projects such as SMIC's 12-inch wafer fab, CR Micro's 12-inch fab, and Zenseme's 12-inch fab are all part of the new additions. Additionally, fabs like Shuizhou, Pengxinwei, and Pensan are either under construction or have begun production in 2024. South Korea has also been actively building new wafer fabs. Samsung has established a 10nm 7th-generation DRAM test line at its Peter plant in Pyeongtaek. They are also accelerating the construction of an advanced 2nm production line at their Hwasong S3 plant. Japan is also expanding its wafer fab presence. Rapidus plans to build 2 or more manufacturing buildings, each corresponding to a different technology generation beyond 10 nanometers. Renesas Electronics plans to reopen its factory in Kofu as a 300mm power semiconductor wafer fab capable of producing IGBTs and power MOSFETs. TSMC's Kumamoto wafer fab in Japan has officially started volume production, primarily focusing on producing 12 to 28 nanometer mature process logic chips. Singapore has become a hotspot for wafer fab construction. World Advanced and NXP have announced plans to jointly establish a manufacturing joint venture and build a 12-inch wafer fab. UMC's new factory in Singapore was completed in mid-2024, with mass production expected to begin in early 2025. Micron has broken ground on a $7 billion high-bandwidth memory packaging plant in Singapore. Siltronic has opened its third semiconductor wafer fab in Singapore, built at a cost of €2 billion, primarily producing 12-inch semiconductor wafers. Malaysia's semiconductor industry is also making progress. Infineon's 200mm silicon carbide power wafer fab in Kulim has completed its first phase construction successfully. The construction of wafer fabs in Europe is progressing amidst challenges. Infineon is building a new factory in Dresden, Germany. This facility will primarily produce analog, mixed signal and power products. The ESMC Dresden wafer fab project has been officially approved for financing. This plant will produce automotive and industrial semiconductor products on 300mm silicon wafers using 28 to 12 nanometer mature processes. Wolfspeed has delayed its $3 billion fab project in Saarland, Germany. Intel's Magdeburg wafer fab construction has also been delayed several times. The US faces many challenges in wafer fab construction. Intel's 2 wafer fabs in Ohio will be delayed by at least 2 years, with operations not expected until 2027 or 2028. Overall, 2024 shows a diverse development pattern in global wafer fab construction, and semiconductor industry plans for new plants in 2025 are taking shape. To keep up with the progress of these projects, breakthroughs in key technologies, and the actual implementation of mass production capabilities, stay tuned with us for in-depth analysis and the latest updates. Thank you for watching. If the video is helpful, do not forget to click a like and subscribe Flyking YouTube channel. Stay tuned and have a nice day.